Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This time it's a cloth drying stand that I bought from IKEA. The brand is the product name is Mulig. This is the code you can see. It's designed by IKEA, but it is made in China. Just for the sake of full disclosure, the MRP is 2086, but I bought it for 1490, so around 1500 rupees, and it's quite heavy. But I have seen videos wherein if you keep it outside dry whilst drying clothes, it tends to get a bit wobbly. So it's not meant to be used outside, rather within the homes and balconies, etc. It's basically wrapped in plastic, as you can see, and it's quite heavy, as I mentioned earlier. So apart from the stand itself, you get these clips. I've unboxed it now, and as you can see, it's quite long, as in terms of length. If you open both these arms, and these were the four clips that I was mentioning about. So you can maybe add certain items like socks, or even attach hangers, and then dangle your clothes to dry, basically wet clothes to dry. And it seems to be without any clothes, it seems to be a bit wobbly. It doesn't seem to be stable, but I'm sure once you get all your wet clothes over here, it should be with the weight, it should settle down pretty okay. Only in balcony, don't try to use it in open environments, like where there is enough breeze to topple it over. So avoid it. This is based on videos that I've seen on YouTube. And in terms of fit and finish, as you can see, it's all to begin with, it seems to be entirely made of steel, and the coating is excellent. Fit and finish wise, it seems to be excellent. In terms of value for money, yes, definitely this is a value for money product. Only time will tell though how the powder coating sort of wears, considering the Indian climatic conditions, whether or not it will rust too quickly, or it may not rust at all, depending on how nice the coating is, because it all depends on how well it has been coated. And it looks to be sturdy. The rivets, etc., you can see are kind of made of rust-proof steel, and this serves the purpose. It is especially recommended for elder people, for obvious reasons. Could definitely go ahead and buy this product, if not from IKEA, from any other store, from your local stores as well, because this will definitely help you from will save you the effort of climbing stools or chairs, whatever the case may be. You can dry your clothes, which is a day-to-day activity, just by standing, just by basically by unfolding this uh, dryer and utilizing it. So this was a quick video, guys. Just let me know what are your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. You can online it, or rather you can order it online as well. It is available in select cities, I believe. It carries, depending on what kind of stuff you're buying, it maybe the transport charges as of today is 300 rupees extra, but it is worth it. So you can go ahead and check IKEA online as well. If you like this video, definitely go ahead and hit the like button. If you didn't, go for the dislike button, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. Goodbye for now.